Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. We're going to do some more work on um, the book At the Amusement Park. So on here, we're going to be doing something called word study. We're going to be looking at the words a little closely and filling in some of these blanks, okay? Let's do it together. What word starts like apple? Apple. You, is, at, which, I, or try? Well, at starts with A, but it also has that sound. So at, let's see if that works. It did. All right, number two. What word rhymes with blue? Rhymes means sounds like. You, blue, you? Maybe. That sounds pretty alright. Let's see if it works. Good job. All right, let's try number three. What word starts like train? Train. Which, I, or try? Let's see. Well, try starts with letter T, and so does the word train. But they also have that T sound, right? Rain, try. Let's try. Yeah, we did it. Number four. What word rhymes with quiz? You or is? Let's try it out and see. You in quiz or is in quiz? Let's try is. All right, number five. What word ends like lunch? Let's try at or which. Ends. That means it's at the end of the word. At, lunch. No. How about lunch and which? Ch. The CH makes a ch sound. And so does this CH in lunch. Let's try which. Yay! All right. Number six. What word has one letter? One letter. See, most of them have more than one. Let's see. Oh, I. I has just one. Let's see if that works. It did. Awesome work. Well, thank you very much for doing that with me, and I hope you learned a little bit more about the vocab. I'll see you later.